It's about time for some luxury bag unboxing. And this one is Yves Saint Laurent YSL. This bag was on my wish list since a long time. Well, I thought of unboxing it with you guys, and why not? You guys are my fam. This is the Uptown pouch in micro raffia, and the color is natural hay and blush. I am so excited because this style of bag is particularly something I did not have, and I really wanted a pouch bag. I've seen they're trending online, and I really wanted to invest in one. And secondly, it's very friendly, like it's easy, it doesn't feel like a burden, and so good for all kind of day to night events. You can style it in multiple ways, and it's like, you see the color, it would work with everything, and that's what I like. I want my bags that I can, you know pair them up with literally any and everything. Look at that stunning YSL logo. It looks so chic on the bag, and I think I love the color. This is that bag that I would like to pass to my daughter. I did see some other colors in it as well. This is the one, but I really like the hay and blush, and I was so excited to get it. If you like such videos, don't forget to hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will show you how I style it now. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. See you soon.